How to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So Instagram does not directly tells you who unfollowed you and there's no official unfollower list. But if you are feeling ghosted, here are your options. For that, you'll have to go ahead and simply follow the manual method. So go ahead and open your Instagram application and log in to your Instagram account. Once you have logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And just like so, go ahead and tap on Followers. Inside Followers, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the search icon and then search for the person's name. If they are gone, they have unfollowed you or blocked you. Also, you can go ahead and check their following list. If you're still following them and they're not following back, it's a one-sided thing. And there are some apps who shows you who unfollowed you on Instagram, but they need access to your Instagram data. So it's best for you to not use third-party application. They aren't endorsed by Instagram and they can stop working anytime due to API restrictions. Also, your data may be at risk and some are full of ads, so the only way to see who unfollowed you on Instagram is to simply follow the manual method. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.